Have you wanted to increase your numbers when doing continuous power tricks in pen sitting? This video will cover some strategies I've implemented that massively increase my numbers, and other tips that other good spinners say help them improve. The first tip has to do with stability, and that is putting a piece of paper or something underneath your hand with the goal of covering it. Personally, I don't do this too much, but another really good pen spinner, Void, says this helped him a lot and he recommends people to do it. This can be helpful for not just continuous power, but also general spinning where hand control is essential. The next two tips have to do with what you focus on. The first one is focusing psychopathically on the center point. If you're watching this video, then chances are you have a pen mod marked with a center point. If not, you should probably get one because the benefits of having one are great. When you narrow your vision to a specific pinpoint area, it's scientifically proven that your focus improves, and keeping track of the center point is a key area for reference for many tricks. The final tip has to do with focusing on music. If you're curious about the general pros and cons of listening to music while practicing, and when exactly to do so, check out my other video called something like How to Enter Flow State Faster. Listening to music can have negative effects, but when getting the right music, it may be much easier to focus more and enter a flow state. You do this by focusing on the beat of the music and using it as a sort of metronome for your continuous power tricks. Listen to the music and stay on beat no matter what. If you have to reset, then so be it. Resetting is better than getting off sync in this scenario. I noticed massive improvement with my consistency after I implemented this into my practice routines. Before being able to do this, however, you should be able to do at least 20 of your desired continuous power tricks for it to work effectively. Because if you can do 20 consistently, you'll probably only be able to do 5 when practicing with this method. But trust me, your consistency will skyrocket if you actually implement this. If you like this kind of video, let me know and feel free to check out my other videos too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.